create. With words I recite, with my hands I design and create. So ngaba ngisonkondlo ngaba liqala libovuwe le stage less asiso fortunate kepha ke sabo bosonkondlo ngubingelele ngiphinze ngomukele ke mbukele ehlelweni lakho lolithandzako nalihamba embili eSwatini TV na7 lonke nje dandla nenkondlo libito lami ke ngingifortunate ngwakamabuzi namhla sinasenkosi Mdluli lo poet akagcini ke ngekuba poet senkosi akadibiti yena ngepoet uthi you know what I am senkosi Mdluli I am an artist ekubeni artist ke akahlabe lingwane ngiyanibona ukuthi hayi nithi umhlabelo elivuma cha senkosi uphindze ende nemsebenzi wedandla kepha ke sitawucala ngathi inkondlo takhe uve ukuthi senkosi lihambo lakhe ka poetry linjani noma uyanishaya utheni ngisonkondlo kani those people anyways etivela ukuthi senkosi Mdluli uhaya kanjani ufika kanjani phindze ka poetry
labanye abantwana bathandazela ukuthi fane baphase kangcono mina wami bese ukuthi fane ngifele kangcono ingani kude lokwasengcono noma esikolwa bengisingcono ta sona zange sangincoma nemicabango yekekela sikolwa ngase ngiva kangcono noko angekela ngangconcotha kokoko ngivulele ngqondo emamakla ngcono abengaba ngcono kuleyami incothe embi kwesikolwa tinfo tatitimbi ingqondo engabambi umkhono ungekho nemkhonvo ngqondo ngathalalisi nami ngiyafuna kuphasa kangcono tololo lona ngumkhohlokhohlo iwayilesi lenganamsindvo lawo magama ayihlabi inhlitiyo yami ingqondo yena ayihlokolota kwafisa kwangathi bengawakhohlwa kwahluma inzondo khololo kwakhe ngemalahle kwasekuphenduke kwaba ngumlotha ngase ngifana nenja lecekelwa mathulo ikhonkotha a kid of great hopes but unfortunate cost everything lost look at the 10 outs 10 downs tears dropping lyrics popping it seems the earth is keeping me out cause I'll never drop out I'll never go down I'm not gonna drown I hide it yet I know deep down I'm in pain don't page inside my heart you won't find a pearl of the world if pain has been your friend then welcome to my world people with big minds deep in trouble and struggles it's dark and I'm roaming outside you probably think that I'm nuts well I'm not just that things are tough I said as a joke just to lighten the yoke I have no place as home and if there should be it's on the road because at home I've been crossed even on the road but at least I expect no favors love no honor I make mistakes too much flops but still I am strong and I'll conquer non-stop I'll never surrender
Mbukele senhlati naye senkosi Mdluli labantu umsebenzi wedandla lophinze abe ipoet yabona mos nasikhuluma sethi idandla nenkondlo suke sikhuluma ngasenkosi ke lapho ngabe sesiyangiphikisa uthi yabona ke futhi soqale kubandi bangasokhuluma ngemumvu labantu umsebenzi wedandla phinze abe ipoet same time yebo ukhona ngisenkosi Mdluli senkosi welcome to Dandla nenkondlo.
Thank you so much for the opportunity as Ashito I'm senkosi Mdluli. Yes, but you can call me Lifeaholic whenever I start rhyming. Okay, apart from good thing, I doing poetry because most of the poems are English, some are both Siswati and English. So to Lifeaholic, it's because I thought it was first one-aholic, which means one addicted. Ne?
Oh,
but then
Siswako velocity Lifeaholic and Lifeaholic.
Yes, aholic.
Okay.
Yes. Then to the Lifeaholic, it was because it best describes who I am. I'm also a Christian. That's the first thing to know about me. So the life is more like Jesus, like life manifested. Yes. So also there is life in most of the poems, but you get to hear that.
Okay. Uqala ngawuphi kumnyaka senkosi ukuthi ibona ukuthi real heart I am a poet ngaphumela ngephandle ngifike ngisho kubamba ukuthi ngisonkondle bangibelieve.
It was 2016.
Okay.
Ne? That's when they send that like things like Iguzamagu rapper type of things. Ne? So that's when it's like, okay, the lines aren't actually rap, like only there's poetry within. Yeah. So because I didn't have that much time or that much passion about it at that time. So once again in Form 1, which was 2017, that's when I was like writing mostly love poems. So when they got to check my exercise, like a lot of love poems in Form 1, I had strict parents. They were like, oh no, you just cannot do love poems. You just cannot focus on your schoolwork because your marks will drop. So I decided to be obedient. Yeah, so.
Why a girl?
Yes.
Okay, nasoyekela ke so decide akubela ku poetry ngawuphi umnyaka. Oh, wayekela wase sothi you know what, instead of me writing about my love poems, maybe bangabhala nge-education or life. My parents and the teachers will appreciate my job. Wenda kanjani?
I just left the whole thing.
What?
It wasn't my first time leaving something like.
Okay.
So yeah, I had many challenges like growing up in terms of acquiring my skills like football. I had to leave football, né, and some other things, né. So in 2020, which was Form 4, that's when I was like, because I was in love with motivational speakers, like doing motivational things. So that's when I was like, because of the motivation, I was like, no, I can still do poetry. I mean, I can still get back on my feet. And even though it's not like I was doing performances, but then I lived poetry. I still live poetry. If you want to know how it's like to be me, you got to be used to being used. You got to be used to heat. Heat made me so I be used by heat. I stand in the midst of flames with 3 legs just for you to be fed. I know you paid the price. Bear it in mind, those scents aren't worth the work. Flames paint me dark. I'm scrapped just to shine. In my tribe, no love is kind. The things I go through just for satisfactory reminds me of the factory where I'm from. Nothing is done through me or by me is for me. No one thinks for me. It's always for their selfish need. Without heat, I do not exist. Without meals, I am not in need. Without me, meals are still prepared because this species that made me will find something else to replace me with. Even now, I am rare and I know in the future I exist in museums where future generations will be told that my tribe and I existed a long time ago. We stood the heat. Just for a meal, Africans can tell how we served their families without complaint. I am made to be used, so I am used to being used. Use me while you still can, just do it with care. Lastly, I wouldn't wish that my efforts be forgotten. And also, the name Lifeaholic. My things are always, this is a double meaning. Ne? You might be like, that's why it's poetry. I mean, too many riddles in the lines. Ne? So you might be like, I'm just talking about Lipoto because there's one that I'll share, Lipoto, ne? But then it's not just the pot, it's also me involved. But then I'd say I'm just speaking about these pots, the 3-legged pots, I'm just speaking about this pot, yet it's just more, ne? So it was my way of expressing because the reason I do poetry, because let me just say, first it was some sort of a disease, ne? I couldn't speak at times. So, but then at times when I couldn't speak, the lines just came. The words, okay, I couldn't speak, ne? But then the lines, so I usually used to write, ne?
Okay.
What I'm just feeling inside. Ne?
Ukubeke.
Yes.
Okay.
Most of the time it came in rhymes. So it's more like I'll say calling or something, but it's in me. That's why I say it, I live poetry.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, naku-ke uyaqhubeka ngejeni yakho ye-poetry. Now you're saying ukuthi, you know what, let me write about timfo letitaba indaba mfu babe interested as much as ngidobhala ngithi ngibhala line lami about a pot njengoba uShido wathi, but kuba nema-meaning lamaningi based kulelo gama losuku uLshido. Now ubhala ke letinkondlo takho umake sure yini senkosi ukuthi the first thing umuntu latawuyiva ibe ne-meaning thide, ngingaze ngimele ngihlale phansi ngithi yo ngabe ke sonkondlo wami bekathini la.
Okay, sometimes you get it, let me just say let me just use quarters, like the first quarter. That's when you get really what's happening, because sometimes I'm just drawing your attention. Sometimes I say something which is like something like awkward, like labanye bantwana bathandaza la sibaphase kangcono. Mina wami bese uthi fanele ngifele kangcono. So like, really, you wishing to like fail better? Does it make sense? Why would you wish for something like that? Because it's wishes, you can wish for anything, but then why wish to fail better? So, but then you get to understand and get to learn and get to be motivated as well. Yeah.
Okay, so now ubhala tinkondlo takho uyayu-targete bobani nje? Are you targeting the youth or uthi, you know what, I'm Senkosi, I'm for the young and old?
Okay. Since it's target, I target everyone, ne? Okay. But then uqala ngema targets lamanye. So far mostly it's young people, ne? Especially learners, because that's when I got back on my feet, like doing poetry again, like writing, like also about the challenges that I face while I'm still at school, while I'm still just a kid, like expected to make it in life and stuff. So my experiences was, yeah, I'm supposed to make it, but I'm at this point now. Are we ever going to reach there? Okay, then yeah, those type of things. Let me just put it that way. Lickly babies, make them happy. Some are cursing about the mistakes that they made. They are no mates, just pains. They are not living in that dreamland where things come in handy. Whilst in their hands, they had a bright future, which they had put at stake for some friend's sake. Those snakes, filled with pretense, some you tried to please, some it was for fun's sake. In return, they got eggs, were placed in deserts instead of restaurants, where they ordered the desserts they wished they deserved, but they reserved themselves for suffering with the babies they do not afford. After all, we all got choice. We were given all we need, but we lacked control and held the bond with our future protocol. Now we come and tell a story of the cause we could not get hold of. Leaves one with a sunken heart. Upon their baby's arrival, they cry, a cry that is deep in thoughts for having to face their consequences. On the other hand, their lends joy, delight for the fights they won, the things they lost, and now the cost is gold they own. Come on, do what's right. Look, they are triumphant. They made a baby. Okay, I'll put it like this. With me having, like, I don't have videos, like, in terms of the social medias, ne? It's just one, ne? And the people usually they want to see, because you also have to prove like a point, like, yeah, you can take me in, like I can meet the standards, ne? So you go to a school, maybe you want to do poetry for them, they have to have that assurance with the person you're bringing inside, ne, is someone let's say a message there, right? So in I guess I'm still preparing, like they are supporting those that have it's okay, they are supporting. Yes, it's not that much, but it's like I said, preparation. That's why I'm doing a lot of preparations.
Okay.
So, yeah.
All right. What can you say to someone out there who's willing to be a poet, rapper, but you know what, this is not the time, or even if people will not support me? What can you say to that person?
Start. It's very much helpful because yeah, maybe if you want to do something, it's not always that you can do the thing, ne? You just know I want to do poetry. Just start, because as time goes, that's when you'll improve. Because when people see the progress, it's okay, you move from this level to this level. Definitely, maybe in a few years' time, you'll be in this level. That like definitely take you in. And if just start, let me just put it that way, start, because it's most important to go to Okale. Don't be like most angwati. Just get information and do your thing.
I have a kid of great hopes. Okay, that's not my line, but it's second course's line. Mina ngiyathi ukuthi ngidakuniketa emaline. Yabona labhalwe ngimi, acatshangwa ngimi, ngawabhala lapha emfuleni ngoba kumele kuphole kamnanzi bese kushaya kwemoyana lokuthi nje lapho dawuva i-creativity ngidawubuya lapho sengingisonqodlo wena unawumangala nami ngidawubuya nje yasenkosi sengenda i-poetry phinze ngibuye ngenda umsebenzi wetandla. Senkosi siyajabula kuba nawe ehlelweni, and we are so grateful to have someone lo wenda i-poetry phinze ende wona umsebenzi wetandla. Umsebenzi wakho wetandla ke senkosi lo wenda nguphi, uwenda ufika njani nje kwenteni umsebenzi wetandla?
Okay, I'm an art person. That's what I usually say. Ne? I like creating. Ne? It's not only lines that I craft, it's also beats. Ne? So ever since I was young, like I was so in love with making things, being a creative. Ne? So I was in Gwaka in Vota, like being to learn stuff and get educated. So they taught us how to make bracelets, since I like making things. So yeah, at the time I was too broke to get material, the ones to use. No, so the eagerness, this thing, and you can't. So when you get the opportunity, you just wanna go wild. Ne? So it started from there. There were a couple of challenges when I was now like the bracelets. When I saw was okay, my hands are now okay. So we had to go home Emakaya, COVID time, and getting material was now more harder because it's a long road, and also it's not like I'm money that was too broke. So I got this one opportunity where when I got the stock, Saba Balance, the one that I wanted, let me just say the basic stock. So from there, I started like crafting. Till today, yeah, they've been maybe breaks like a month or 2 months break, but then yeah, till today.
Okay, now so ilega kind words you're struggling with getting material, so you have to go to nangatfola nje beats ndawenza kanje.
Yes.
Ufika uyithi vuyi nekhaya senkosi noma uthi.
Yeah.
Noma ubathe nawe yabo ukuthi make nje utavela ngilwisa utathi sengikwatela mne kwenda tinto ngema beats.
Okay, at first it was hard. Bengisho like even when I was learning.
Okay.
But then like I said, I don't have material. So nangita when I got one rope, wanting to show them. Yeah. I forgot the stitch. I was like, it seems like you were lying when you were like saying boyophones or something. But okay, you were learning. You said you are okay now. You can do the thing from start to finish. Okay, you've got the rope and a few beats. Just do your thing. And I failed. So I had to revisit one of my friends, Lebes Funzanai. So he gave me tips like, no, you did the thing wrong. That's all. It's this way. Ne? So in terms of stock, when I say an opportunity, it's them like that got me the first stock, like the first balance stock. So yeah, I did receive a support from Infinity.
Okay, so lo waqala kukwenda, was it a bracelet noma kwaba a necklace?
It was a bracelet.
Or a ring? Okay, bracelet.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Then the necklaces, it was I think 2022 when I started making necklaces. Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, 2021, late like November 2021. That's when I started making necklaces.
Okay. Lo kabile nje kwendiwe nguwe.
Okay. This one, nah, it's not me.
Okay.
It's just a collaboration.
When the lama piece.
Okay. Then, yeah, the top part of it, yes,
it's you.
Yes.
Okay. Officially, Senkosi guti ungendi emabhizi kuphela when it comes to umsebenzi wetandla noma uthi wena, you know what, I just want to be Senkosi lo watiwa ngemabhizi. I
actually, most of the time, I usually like more. So it's not only beats. I'm opting for gold at the later point in time. And also, I like learning. So if I get to learn something, definitely I want to experiment and do the thing. So it's more than beats. It's not like I'll then leave the beats alone. I'm also looking forward to making opportunities for other people, like because we also live to inspire others.
Okay. Now wenda kula mabits akho Senkosi uyakhona kwenda nangaphansi uthi umuntu sobhalile ukuthi fortune noma wena uthi, you know what, mina I'll just make le bracelet or le necklace kube plain, depende ukuthi ngikutholele ma bits lanjani.
Okay, the name of the business is Brace and Art.
Okay.
And it's more like art and beauty at affordable prices as per the customer's like. So if the customer wants something like this, we try our best to give the customer the product's life now, unless we cannot get the material or something like that, of course. But if we can, we make it possible.
Okay. Uyabasida labanye bantwana sidona sicala ganana when we were in the poetry side. Washo wathi you want to inspire others, especially the youth.
Yes.
Right. Yes. What is it that you are doing now? Basita, you know, these kids should make pocket money.
Okay.
What is it that you are doing to help the youth?
Okay, I'd say it's mostly on the information part.
Okay.
So yeah, I do teach how to make the bracelets and necklaces. Yeah, sometimes it's a fee, But I'm also lenient. I'm a lenient person, so I do teach for free. Sometimes using even my material, because when you see someone who just has this earnest desire going at these things, but he's struggling to do so, if I can help, I do help. If I can help, né? So in terms of also helping others, it's the information, like I said. So I usually go out like exeni to people who go to school, and also helping them in their academics, like giving them the right mindset, because it's not difficult to pass. Just if you're able to master something like this and this, it's a long topic, so we'll not get into it, but it's mostly based on information. That's where you can go sit down most people, because in terms of money, I'm not that financially balanced yet, but then the information, I've been obtaining information, because Eskolweni it's a 2022, so I didn't just sit, I was doing my own studies. So in terms of information, I'm balanced, so I'm also giving it to others. Simbonge ngimbonile, emehlweni nami uthandzekile, yakhala inhlitiyo yathi lona ubalekile, imbali lechakazile, kungako nami tikhanze ngithathekile, emehlo ami selokhu ahleli kuye, hlandekile ngemehlo engcondvo bese ngimbonile unina saticabhile ngendvodzakati yakhe. Nami kube bengingise suba ngabe ngitishayile, enganibonisa bami beyisile, lizinga ngilenyusile, Kim Kardashian ngimkhiphile, kuye golide lita ngikhuluma nasamamathekile, umhlaba kimi ngimkhanza samile, lese sihambile sikhathi ngimbonile silithandana, yeni ngathi ngihamba ngekuphuthuma, nemahashi kulesami sifuba akatibeki phasi, aseloku agijigijima nangicabanga ngaye, lese sihambile sikhathi ngimbonile silithandana, yeni ngathi ngihamba ngekuphuthuma.
When I rhyme, you can feel the life within. There was life aholic Songondle wethu naye lo wenda umsebenzi wetandla namuhla uboneke mbukeli ukuthi amasoda akadlali. Ngiyakubuda ke ngawe ukuthi ngabe kwakhala nyoni nuhleti nje awufuni ukubhala ngondla awufuni kwenda licici wena awufuni kwenda likhenya uhleti nje but unetandla une voice lethi bamna bakhuluma bathi wow bevungazi ukuthi ngangiwela bakuva bakulalele uma wenda tinkondla but ke angikho lapho ngoba ngifuna ukuzondwa nguwe mina ngifuna ukuthi na next week siqhubeke sibonane mani kulethile bosonkondla nalabo labenayo nemisebenzi yetandla bese ke awugcini ngekubabona kuphela ba support uyatuka ukuthi na ulethe design yako bayakhona kuyenda themba mina na ufuna bakushort inkondla emshadweni wakho ungende nje umshado wakho ube plain wena solo alanza abantu abahlabela kuphela hayi ngiyangijabulisa mlethe phana sonkondlo utakwendela mani nemvu bese siyabona ukuthi you know what I do need poetry in my life. Sitabona ke mbukeli evikini etako ngase isikhathi esifana go goodbye and God bless.